So in order to simplify this, notice that we have I in the denominator, so we're going to have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. The conjugate would be negative 1 plus, minus 5i. And once we do that, we're just going to go ahead and multiply. So we're going to have negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40i. And then we do the same thing with the 2i. 2i times negative 1 is negative 2i. And 2i times negative 5i is negative 10i squared. So we're going to do the same thing on the denominator. So negative 1 times 1 positive 1. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5i. 5i minus 1 is negative 5i. And finally, 5i times negative 5i is negative 25i squared. So I'm going to combine my like terms. So that's going to give me 8 plus 38i. And remember that the I squared means negative 1. So that would be plus 10, because negative 10 times negative 1 is positive 10. In my denominator, 5i minus 5i is 0. And once again, the I squared represents negative 1. So I'm going to have 18 plus 38i over 26. So notice that I don't have any of my answers there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and separate them into two individual fractions. And then the first fraction I can reduce that should be a 26. So the first fraction I can reduce by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. 2 goes into 26 13 times. The second one I'm also going to divide by 2. So 38 divided by 2 is 19. 26 divided by 2 is 13.